crispy with it. Okay, hi. This has honestly been a long time coming, simply because I've been lazy. Life been life and work been working. But like, I literally do not remember the last time that I did a full head retwist. Like, I literally can't tell y'all. I kept doing like edge styles or just retwists in the front, and so then by doing that, I'm like, I really don't remember when the last time I did a full retwist was. And I didn't necessarily want to retwist while I had the lock sprinkled in my hair. So I'm gonna take the sprinkles out, wash my hair, retwist it, and style it today. I was gonna say I might split it in two, but I'll probably do it today and just record the results tomorrow when I'm all cute. So taking the lock sprinkles out, first and foremost, you can see right here, if you watch a lock sprinkle video, you'll remember me saying like on some of them I didn't even tie a knot on the end because I was afraid of my hair locking into the beads or not being able to take it out. So you can see some right here, like it has that looseness already, and you can see the string slash sprinkle already pulling away from the lock. So I don't even know if this one is like knotted on the end. Oh yep, see, that's not even knotted on the end. So to take it out, I'm literally just pulling the string and the bead through my lock, literally just doing the reverse of what I did when I put the sprinkle into my hair. And the beads will be falling out, so you want to make sure you're obviously like keeping them for later or putting them to the side if you decide to throw it away. It's a little bit harder to see some of them if you get string that's very close to your hair color and if you locked it into your hair super well. Boom, there it is. See? Still intact, still good, still thick. And that's what we're gonna continue to do. Let's do it with this one. This one might have a knot on the other side. Oh nope, see, you can see right here, I really did not make my knots super large even if I did knot it, but they still held in well. Like, I'd be cycling, bouncing around, all that, and it didn't come out. So now I'm like, I don't even know if you have to necessarily knot the other end of the string. Someone was like, can you record you taking them down? I'm like, oh, I don't know how it's gonna be. But now I'm like, okay, it's not that bad. Bada bing. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue that all around my head and then go and wash my hair. This is what my hair is looking like. Like I said, it's been a minute, so I'm gonna make sure that this retwist is like bomb skiddly bomb bomb, or as bomb as I can get it. My hair is dirty, obviously. I have a lot of loose hair right now, like you see, like this. So I will be going, you can't see. I have a lot of loose hair. Oh, excited to see how long my hair looks. Excited to get these locks into shape, moisturize them, brush them out, all that. This is what we're looking like before the wash. And I'll holla at y'all after. I'm like, should I go get my ring light? I don't know. Y'all already know the drill. I got a Netflix. Oh, it's a series. I thought it was a movie. Anyways, I got my Netflix going in the background. All my products. I'm using the Shine and Jam. It's an airplane going overhead. I'm using the Shine and Jam. I literally just re-upped. And I'm noticing that this one that I bought in the UK, this is the one I bought in the UK, this one I bought here, they're actually different. Like, it's a different person on the front. It says different stuff. I think it might even be a different size, but that's besides the point. I got my Shine and Jam for my whole head, Style Factor for my edges. This new oil, which I've really been loving, it's the As I Am. Now they have like different skincare lines, and this is the Dry and Itchy Scalp Care. It's olive oil and tea tree oil mixed together, but it also has salicylic acid in it. And I feel like this has actually been helping my scalp. I put it on after styling, and then if my hair is itchy, I add more on top of it, or like if I got a little itch, I'd be like, okay. Obviously it's not a miracle worker. If you need to wash your hair, like that's not just gonna solve it. I have rose water right here, and then I have some Smell Good oil, which I'm gonna put all around my head right now before I actually start retwisting. Pause before I start. This is what my hair is looking like. We are close to a year and a half. I think it'll be a year and a half in like May, maybe. This is what my locks are looking like. I can definitely see them like dropping down more now, getting that little length. Like look how long the front is. Lordy low. Y'all can tell it's been a minute by the lighting change. Yeah, but I have retwisted my entire head. I actually have a bonnet dryer now, so I'm about to put some of this, is this Auntie Jackie? Yeah, Aunt Jackie's, I'm saying Auntie Jackie, I got an auntie named Auntie Jackie, y'all. I'm about to put some of this Auntie Jackie's mousse on and then sit under the dryer and play my Switch, finish this Netflix, and then come back and finish styling my hair. I feel like this is a good retwist. Like once I just see that little, ooh, I'll be like, ah. I asked a question on my Instagram story. I said swoop or no swoop. And majority of people voted for a swoop. They didn't even know what I was talking about. But it was for if I should do a swoop bang or not. And so we are gonna do that swoop bang. Okay, the light is going in and out, so I turned on my ring light just so it'll be consistent. But this is what my hair is looking like. Not the final stage, but you see me. We crispy with it. Like I said, this is my first time. Okay, I retwisted my hair in February, but I had curls, and I feel like, you know, when you have curly locks, your retwists don't be looking as crispy because I wasn't focused on like my parting and stuff. I was just focused on having lock curls. But this is what it's looking like. Here's what it looks like in the back. Now I'm gonna add in some of this oil. Not too much, but I do want to make sure that my scalp is oiled. Now, I'm nervous, y'all. We're gonna try a bun style. I have not done a bun since my hair was like less than a year locked. My hair has gotten a lot thicker since then, so I'm just worried about how it's gonna turn out. I also don't want it to be like hecka pulling my hair or anything. But with the bun, I'm also gonna do a little swoop in the front. I think I'm gonna leave that part out. This will be part of the swoop. So I'm gonna put that to the side and then gather all my hair. Still trying to maintain that retwist direction, but gathering. My hair is so thick, my hands hurt. I'm also trying not to put too much tension on any of my locks, especially those ones in the back. I don't know what I'm doing. Should I do a messy type bun? I think I want it like a cute messy bun, and I'm gonna pin down these little parts right here. don't even know where my glasses is at. Oh, they're right here. Anyways, I did my edges, figured out the bun situation, and I did this little swoop-de-doop, so don't bang. But I'm not sure how I like the curly bangs or if I just want to do like a little swoop. So this part is still pending. But this is essentially what the hair is looking like. Da, 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 da. I like how it turned out. It's about to get warm. I'm in the gym a lot. I just wanted something like to keep my hair out of my face. Like I said, I'm probably gonna do like the normal just swoop because I feel like this is a little fancy. It's doing a little much. I'm still trying to get comfortable like being out there with my locks sometimes. But I hope y'all enjoyed this style. I'm happy that I finally got a full retwist going, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.